Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to like a reel in Instagram's new update. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. It's as simple as tapping the app icon to get started. Step 2. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. If you haven't updated yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and update to the most recent version. Step 3. Log into your Instagram account if you aren't already. You'll need to be logged in to interact with content. Step 4. Tap the Reels icon located at the bottom of the screen. It's the one with the little video camera icon. Step 5. Now, scroll through the feed to find a reel you want to like. Reels can be funny, inspiring, or just entertaining, so pick one that catches your eye. Step 6. To like the reel, tap the heart icon on the right-hand side of the screen. It's next to the comment and share options. Step 7. Now, just like that, the reel is liked. The heart will turn red to show it's been registered. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.